Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a custom Roblox Gamepass directly on your iPad so you can instantly get a donate button up and running inside Please Donate. First, open your preferred mobile browser, go straight to create.roblox.com, and make sure to log completely into your personal account. Once the main creator dashboard loads up, scroll through the Creations tab, locate your default starter experience, and tap on it. Next, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. Look under the monetization header and choose the Passes option. Now hit the blue Create a Pass button. Type a unique name for your pass and click Create at the bottom. To officially put it up for sale, tap on the brand new pass you just made, open that top left menu icon again, and select Sales. Toggle the Item for Sale switch to On, type in your desired Robux price, click Save Changes, and then simply open up Please Donate to claim your booth and view your new button. Subscribe the channel for more videos.